everyone. Welcome to my channel Kids Python. I am Yoon Han, a 9-year-old from California. This is my first video in the series Kids Python 101. I will share my experience of learning Python courses that my dad has developed on kidspython.com with you. When my dad first brought the idea of learning Python to me, I was very excited since I am always ready to learn new things. Then I asked my dad, would that be too hard? He answered, not at all, as long as you're passionate and the learning material is appropriate. It turns out he was right. After completing the Kids Python lessons, I am very confident in writing small functions that can be applied to real-world problems. I am able to calculate the area or perimeter of a rectangle and simulate the action of shuffling playing cards. If I could do it, I believe you can as well. Before we start jumping into the Python programming language, I want to introduce briefly what a computer program is.
A computer program is a specific set of ordered steps to accomplish a specific goal. There are few factors that make up a computer program. Dividable. The specific goal can be divided into multiple steps. Ordered. The steps must be ordered correctly. This means when the order is changed, the program may get a different result. Determined. Once the ordered steps are executed correctly, we should be able to determine the result. Repeatable. When a program is executed, it should produce the same result again and again, so the whole process is repeatable. One classical example I can give is, how can you write a program to put an elephant in a refrigerator in 3 steps? Step 1. You open the door. Step 2. You put the elephant inside. Step 3. You close the door. The program has all 4 mentioned factors: dividable, ordered, determined, and repeatable. The task was divided into 3 steps. The steps are ordered to produce a result. The result can be determined by following the steps. The whole process is repeatable for another elephant.
Now that you know what's a program, then what's a programming language? Similar to how human beings use many different languages to communicate, programming languages are languages that you use to communicate with the computer, letting the computer know how you want it to execute the defined programs. There are many different programming languages that have been developed in the world. Python is one of the easiest to understand and learn.
Now, let's write our first Python program. It is very convenient to write Python code on kidspython.com. After you open kidspython.com on your web browser, click Playground. That will bring you to a code editor. Now, write print Hello Kids Python. Then click Execute. You will see Hello Kids Python being printed at the output area. Woohoo! Congratulations for writing your first line of Python code. There are a few factors with this single line of code. First, print is a function which refers to knowing how to do a specific task. In this case, print will print the information in parentheses on your computer screen. Secondly, a function uses a pair of parentheses to specify inputs to its task. The content inside the parentheses pair is called an argument. Lastly, as a common English phrase, Hello Kids Python is called a string in Python. It needs to be included inside a pair of single quotes or double quotes, which I will talk about more in our next lesson.
Here I'd like to end today's video by leaving a simple homework assignment for you. Please use the playground on kidspython.com to change your code so it will print Hello World. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a bit of coding. If you want to learn more about programming in Python, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.